Hi there, everybody. Welcome back. Mary Beth Angelelli here with Instant 39 Payments, also known as Cash Alive 39. I've been getting so many responses and inquiries to the Cash Alive 39 system. I just decided to pop in here very early on Wednesday morning, the 19th of August, and just continue to update you and share with you, the amazing responses and results with this awesome system. And what exactly is Cash Alive 39? It's a simple instant pay program that you will have full access to instructions, the marketing system, the resale rights, as well as the ad copy, the email copy, and the top secret safe list and solo ad buyer traffic resources so that you can use them wisely, use them consistently to start generating your very own $39 instant payments with Cash Alive 39. This has become a very sought after, popular program that literally has gone viral. And what I believe is the reasons is because it is simple. Simplicity and affordability. In my opinion, everybody can afford $39. There's no admin fees, there's no monthly fees. $39 one time to get started to receive your very own system and resell rights. I do highly recommend and encourage you to get one of these websites like this for only $29 and some change. Okay? What you're going to receive is the complete marketing system, the resale rights, my top secret safe list and solo ad buyer resources, full step-by-step instructions, as well as email swipe copy, the marketing resources, and the reseller rights. Okay, you're going to get a complete little proven tested system that works. If you put forth the time, the effort, and work this, folks, follow the instructions. There's no reason why you should not also see success. Okay, the sooner you get started, the sooner you're going to be able to see results. Okay, a full system, a full marketing system. Again, the resale rates, the ad copy, and all of the resources and step-by-step instructions. Okay, so that is the system in a nutshell. It will be provided to you and emailed over to you once I receive your $39 payment, excuse me. Now here's exactly what you get. The link to my website is going to be below in the description. Just go to instantpaysolution.net and enter your email address. You're going to be redirected right to this very page. You'll be able to review this firsthand. Okay, just take your time, work your way down. Here's exactly what you get, like I just previously stated, for a $39 one-time payment. No monthly fees ever, and no admin fees. Okay, folks, it truly doesn't get any better than that. This is very user friendly, it's very newbie friendly. You can advertise, place a simple ad, or send a simple email. Folks, you can absolutely do this. All we're doing is placing ads and sending emails. That's it, okay? My top secret safe list and solo ad buyer traffic resources. I've got some special incentivized bonuses where I'll share with you my top 3 proven resources that I'm using throughout the week to collect multiple payments, plus my personal email swipe copy that I've tested. I'm always testing for the best results, the best click-through rates, open rates, and conversions. You'll have my best email swipes, in addition to the email ad copy that comes with the system. My fail-proof Cash Alive 39 fast start instructions and resale rates, okay? All 4 of these are included for only $39. And all you need are these 2 things to get started. You need a way to collect payments. I also have a Cash App account, okay? And I'm also able to accept payments outside of the US, worldwide payments, through my merchant account, okay? You can choose to get paid however you desire using any third-party processor, whether it be Cash App, like here, whether it be Authorize.net, your very own merchant account, or Venmo, or PayPal, or Zelle, or Stripe. You decide what you want to use, and run with it, okay? Your best payment method, what you like the best. A Gmail email account to reply to leads. I generally respond to 50 to 100 leads per day. And I average anywhere between 1 to 300 a day, some days more. My best days have been in excess of $400, and I have much continued proof. If you go to my channel, YouTube channel, Retire with Mary Beth, do a search on Cash Alive 39. Many of my videos will pull up and you can see continued results, continued proof that this amazing, simple, affordable system absolutely works. Okay, I have countless proof videos out there on my YouTube channel for Cash Alive 39. Here's how to get started. Just follow these 2 simple steps. Join today for only one time $39. Why put off until tomorrow what you can do today and start earning this week? Okay, here's the buy now button. This will take you right into my merchant account. You can pay with your debit or credit card, your choice. Okay, and I can help you out even if you are outside of the United States. That's the big plus and advantage to Authorize.net. Okay, step 2, if you want a custom website, I highly recommend and encourage you get this website, folks. It is working amazingly well. It's a high converting website, and that's what you want. It has been professionally designed, professional graphics, color schemes, the whole 9 yards. Bottom line is simple, but yet it pulls well, and it converts well. And it can be yours for only a one-time $29.97. You never have to send manual invoices. You never have to follow up. No follow-up hassles. Okay? No phone calls. Get paid instantly. Set and forget system with 100% automated payment collections. To get your own website, you go here, you order. One time, you make this payment. You follow these instructions. You have to follow these instructions to a T, folks. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this will ensure you don't have any issues or delays in getting your website for only $29.97. So folks, let's do the simple math, okay? $39 plus $29.97. That is only $68.97. Less than 70 bucks, folks. You can have your own business. Okay? There isn't a whole lot, folks, these days that can pay you over and over again for only investing one time $68.97. And you can place ads for free, folks, okay? There's various ways out there besides having to pay any money for safe lists or solo ads or traffic. As a matter of fact, you can do Facebook. You can post on Facebook. That's free. You can post on Instagram. That's free. You can do these videos like I always do, folks, using a free screen sharing software called Screencast-O-Matic. You can put up I know there's still a few places on Craigslist that you can still post free ads, but Craigslist is super affordable. You can put up an ad for $5 or $10. And I have a proven tested resource that I've been using now. I'll give you the email copy to use. It's only $20. Many of my team members are using this top resource, folks. 20 bucks. So even if you're on a shoestring budget, folks, you want to do some paid marketing, you don't have a whole lot to work with to get started, your resources are a little bit limited, no worries, we've got you covered. 20 bucks. We'll put up a very nice ad. I will share with you where to go to buy that ad, and you can scale up over time with that ad. If you can only place one ad a week for 20 bucks, folks, that is going to help you tremendously. And then as you start to make money, I would highly recommend that you start reinvesting and scale up. Add an ad. Take $20, make it $40. Once you get going, take the 20 and the 40 and add a third ad, and that'll be $60. Okay, folks? So don't be afraid to invest, and just understand that it does take money to make money, but there's super affordable resources out there in addition to free resources, which you can do for free, folks. There's classified ads. If you Google free classified ads, you can come up, there's free classified ads that you can post ads on, all for free. And then, of course, there's the low-cost paid, such as the Craigslist, such as Safe Lists, solo ads, and one of my best resources for 20 bucks. So with that being said, folks, below is the link to my website. Go to instantpaysolution.net. Any questions, text me. This is where to get started, right here, okay? Enter your email. You're going to be redirected to this page. Buy now. Grab your website, folks, and connect with me if you have any questions. As soon as I get your payment, I'll be emailing you all the instructions so that you can be on the fast track to success and start getting your $39 payments as early as this week if you follow the instructions. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon on another video. Bye-bye.